Yeah, so we're going to have to call the customer and tell the customer we need more time with the vehicle because it's like extremely difficult to figure out what's going on. I've run through all the pinpoint tests. I've checked the codes and stuff. I still can't figure this out. So I need to open a hotline case. Yeah, I don't know, boss. They told me to refer to pinpoint test YY, but every time I refer to pinpoint test YY, I keep ending up with the same results. So I'm going to have to message them back and let them know the pinpoint test that they're having me use is not working. It's not getting me what I need to figure out what the problem is. Yes. Yeah, I'll respond back to them. I don't know, boss. They said that they can't help me any further over the computer and that they would rather escalate it to a field engineer to come out. So that's what we're going to do next is they're sending a field engineer out, so we wait for him. Hey, what's going on? My name is Chris. I'm from a hotline, and I'm here to assist your technician in finding out the problem that's wrong with the vehicle. I've got another call I got to be at, or I got another client I got to see in an hour, so we're going to have to make this kind of quick, okay? All right. Hey, what's going on, Chris? My name's Rich. This is a 2020 Explorer that we're working on. We're bringing it in right now. Yeah, so what I'm having an issue with is the park brake keeps having like some kind of error that pops up on the dash, and it won't go away. And I've run through all your guys' pinpoint tests and everything else, and 30 hours deep into this job, I'm in multiple back and forth, and I still can't get anywhere. But you guys keep turning down what I think as is the problem. You guys keep telling me to do what you are telling me to do, so that's what I've been doing. Oh, well, okay, all right, okay, all right. So let's cut open the wiring harness. Let's do this. Let's go to junction Y and X, and let's find these double connectors and do all the things that we talked about on the computer. Let's do that right now. Well, you already did those things? No. Surely the connectors must be there. Oh wow. There's no connectors there, and there's no splice pack there, and there's wow. There's none of the stuff that we thought was there is there on this car. I wonder why that is. Oh, the 2020 Ford Explorers didn't really have wiring diagrams out on time, so some of the troubleshooting charts aren't right. Oh, and the police Explorers have a different parking brake switch than the loaded models. There's like an extra 4 pins, so you can't use the pinpoint test for the passenger vehicles if you're trying to diagnose the the Explorers, the police cars. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you, but good luck. I gotta go to my next appointment. What? Wait a second. So you're just gonna leave? Guess I'll see you later then. Yeah, bossy, he realized that none of the stuff that they were telling me on the computer is comparable to what's going on with the vehicle, because the police utility vehicles, they didn't have the updated wiring diagrams and stuff out on because it was just built this year, and some of the passenger stuff is there, but the police utility stuff isn't there, so I guess I'm gonna have to find it myself. Hey, parts department, go ahead and order me that park brake switch that I said I needed like weeks ago, please. Thanks. Hey boss, I fixed the problem. I got the car fixed. No more warning lights, no nothing. Everything's working fine. Whoa. No. It was only a $20 switch. What? Yeah, we have 30 hours tied up in this vehicle. 33 hours to be exact. Yep. Ford. I submitted all the paperwork and stuff. Submitted my findings. Yeah, I had a Ford rep call me up. They realized that they kind of dropped the ball here and that they should have been listening to us more, and they're going to pay us for all 33 hours that we have tied up into this thing, even though it was a $20 switch. Yep. Yeah. Yep, we're good. Just wait for the claim to clear and it'll be all right. And the claim did clear. and this is a true story. This really did happen. Every time this engineer came out on multiple jobs, never really helped. He was never really a help. He was too young, only been in the field 3 or 4 years. And yeah, $20 switch that I was telling them from the beginning, I think we need to replace because something's wrong with it. They declined, keep doing the pinpoint tests. And none of the wiring diagrams, nothing was right for this particular vehicle because they were using passenger vehicles for sport or police utility vehicles because the wiring diagrams hadn't been updated yet. True story. So, as much as we like to make fun of technicians for not following the pinpoint tests, corporate engineers are pretty bad as well. Keep that in mind.